Listen, I just came out the shower. Welcome back to the channel, all of that good stuff. It is hot out here. It is hot. It's hot. Look what I got on. I look cute. Okay or whatever. But it's hot. It's hot. I'm going to get my eyebrows done. Come with me. I can't even explain how hot it is outside. I do have on it's hot. I was sweating bullets. It's very hot. But I ended up going to Popeyes to get some chicken because my family loves chicken. And I just finished eating. Oh yeah, here goes the Keurig Express that Greg got me. And I also went to Trader Joe's to get some pods so I can use it. And yeah, but the buses are not working. I don't know what's going on over here. Water main break, got buses detouring. It's just all over the place. All over the place. But I'm home now. I done cooled down. I did my eyebrows. Just saw. Shout out to Kay. Also, what I gotta do? Oh, so I'm about to do my nails and my feet. As you can see, I'm about to do my nails and my feet and catch up on 90 Day Fiance. And yeah, so I'll put my phone on the charger and yeah, when I'm done, because y'all have seen me do that before. When I'm done, I get back to y'all. Show y'all what I bought from Trader Joe's. So I'm officially done. I finally finished my nails, as y'all can see. Right, it's just a neutral. What do you call that? Like these are my toes. So I finally finished. I was gonna do a facial, but I'll probably do it tomorrow in the morning. I would say, what time is it right now? I would say I started at 5:30 and this is almost 7:30, so I'm finished with everything. Yeah. So
the next day.
good morning. I meant to take my earrings off and stuff in them. Anyway, good morning. I had an Amazon. Yes, this is the next day. I had an Amazon order come in this morning. It's supposed to be between 5 and 7 and got here at 5:30 in the morning. And Greg woke me up at like 7 something this morning that they rang the bell. Somebody rang the bell. I guess to come down and get the stuff. But I don't understand why they can't bring it upstairs. Like, it just, my building is so weird. You do gotta walk a flight to get to the elevator, but I'm just not understanding. Like, I had to go all the way downstairs to get the stuff. I was a little annoyed, but it's alright. I already know this is what I gotta do. So before they used to bring it up, but I don't know, lately they haven't been. So we gotta go through all of that stuff, clear out the fridge, and so on and so on. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I had a long night. Alright, y'all. Let me go brush my teeth. I'm already chatting. Okay. So we went down and got the order. Don't mind me, I took off my wig. But we went and got the orders. And so this is basically, right, cereals, mac and cheese, deluxe, some Nabascos, fishes. My kids love fishes. More cereal, simply drinks. We got watermelon, strawberry, raspberry, mango, peach, pineapple. I got this for me. Oil. We got ramen. My daughter, she loves ramen. I got 2 boxes of these. What else? My son's favorite chips. We got some Capri Suns. Got some butter. This is stuff I got from Trader Joe's. Very berry granola. I put it inside my acai bowl. Flaxseed. I also put that in there. Got some flaky coconut. Got some, what is this? Puree, passion fruit, some blueberries, strawberries. Yeah. I also bought some bear chicken because I always tell y'all about the bear chicken. The bear chicken is so good. So I got some more bear chicken. I do have to, I also got some ragu, like spaghetti sauce and stuff. But I do gotta go get milk, some sugar, like just the basic things that we need. Some cheese. I also got some stringy cheese because Royce likes stringy cheese. And yeah. So a few little things that I like to, I have to get. I made my coffee in this. I have bought, Greg bought me a coffee yesterday in a cup. And I'm just reusing the coffee cup. Because I ain't feel like making no dishes. But I did use my machine this morning. And it went very, very well. Don't mind my fruit. So you just put the water in here. You put the cup here. And then you just pick whether you want 6 ounces, 8 ounces, or 10 ounces. And you click here. And yeah. It was pretty fast, I can't lie. So, but I'm gonna get ready to put away this stuff. Putting away groceries is never fun, but I am also playing a little music as I go. So that kind of makes the time pass. And I do have on clothes because you know YouTube, right? I have on clothes. I have on a tube top. So, okay. Let me put this stuff away. And we shall continue on. I think today I'm going to do Royalty's hair. I just want to get it done. Oh, my nail keeps coming off. I don't know. These must not be good. My nails never come off. This one is coming off. Look. Oh, no. We got to fix that. So I'm going to, I want to do Royalty's hair. I do want to go to my mom's house on Monday. You know, she got the pool over there. So I want to try and see if I could get some tanning in. And yeah, I think that's about it. But I am definitely going to try and do Royalty's hair today. I'm going to try and get over to the beauty supply store to get some So Slick by, who is that? The Brat's product. So I'm gonna try and see if I could make my way over there. I also did want to stop by Five Below. I think I'm gonna wait also because when I go over to my mother's house there's a Dollar Tree by my mom where I can kind of gather up some stuff for royalty, for her, for school or whatever. School shopping. I gotta start some school shopping. I think I'm gonna go next week, just because this week is like a little hectic. But there's an outlet by my mom's house that I'm gonna go to. I'm gonna try and see if I could do Primark, and the outlet over by her, the Gap Factory. As y'all know, Zion loves the Gap Factory, so I gotta go over there, see what they got for my boy. And yeah, and then I have a pair of Uggs that are like a sun-kissed orange color, like the soda can. They're a really nice orange. I've never worn them because it was so hard for me to get my foot in, but I realized that the low Uggs, when you put your foot in, you gotta squeeze your foot all the way to the front and then lift the back, right? So ridiculous. They need to just make that top part a little wider. But there's a coat on Fashion Nova, not a coat that you can wear every day, but it's a coat, and I'm gonna get it because it goes exactly with them Uggs. It goes exactly, and I just have a little fit in my mind about it. This year I'm gonna be 39, so I'm trying to really get into my woman bag. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get into my woman bag. I'm trying to build myself up a little bit with certain things, and just because I'm not a pitney no more, I'm a grown woman. So, you know, I want to also come to fall, I think for my birthday, because y'all know my birthday is coming September 25th. I want to make over my room for my birthday. Like, I want it really comfortable. Like, I already got like a few things on my phone, how I want the room to look. And yeah, it's gonna be very cozy and comfortable. But yeah, other than that, yeah. Alright, so let me get to doing this. I keep taking breaks. The more breaks I take, the longer it takes me. So let me get to it. Y'all, change of plans. I am on my way now to bring Zion to get a haircut. Say good morning, Zion.
Good morning.
And y'all, sweatpants again. These kids, listen, look at me. Okay? Look at me. It's too hot. I don't understand. But we're going to get him a haircut. And since I'm going to do that, I am not going to the beauty supply store. It's just too hot. I can only do one errand a day. Come on, Zai.
Life moves fast, so for quick and healthy dinners, Avenue A is here to make meals and routines easy. Avenue A Everyday Essentials, made for the way you live. Visit shopassociated.com.
I'm about to eat my acai bowl I made. Yeah, I know I'm in love with it. Yeah, and that is it. Really not much going on. Today was one of those days of just relaxation. Not really doing much. Okay. Yeah. Uh-oh. Tomorrow I'm going to do Royalty's hair. Took Zion to get a haircut today. And yeah. So I'll see y'all in the next vlog.